I'm so glad that you're joining us so that I can share with you some new sliders that Canva has to offer in the Adjust function for photographs. Remember, it doesn't matter if you're new to Canva because every expert was once a beginner. So, let's get started. One of the most recent Canva tutorials was about how to edit images with the Adjust function in the program. I click the Adjust key and there are 7 tools here for you to adjust. And that's great, but Canva has made it better. And let me show you. What I'm going to do is make adjustments. And I clicked Adjust and look, there's more. Warmth, clarity, vibrance, highlights, shadows, and fade. I'm going to make both of these the same, and then I'm going to add in the new tools. So let's take away the brightness on this one and add a little contrast, add a lot of saturation. I'm not touching that. I've touched that. And I'll add the vignette. All right, so those are the ones that I could adjust before. I'm going to copy the filter code, Control-C. I'm going to click on this one and Control-V down there. Now they're exactly the same. Warmth. If you move the slider to the left, it's going to get cooler, and if you move it to the right, it's going to get warmer. The toggle is in the middle, so it can go down to -100 all the way up to +100. Let's make it cooler first. And you can do that one of 3 ways. You can hold down your left mouse key and slide it all the way to the left with the slider. You can put in your number here, -100, -75, -67, whatever you want. Or you can make sure it's highlighted, and you can tell it's highlighted because of, well, currently it's got a purple circle around it. And then you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to just adjust it slightly. Or hold it down and it will move it faster. Clarity. Clarity is at 0. So that means it can go all the way up to 100. Vibrance, same thing. It can go all the way up to 100. And we're adjusting the one on the right. Now, it's very minimal, like it's very hard to tell, but if you look at his little tail feathers here, you can see where it's changing. All right, highlights. Highlights is in the middle here, so that means it can go down negatively and it can go up positively. So let's go all the way down to negative. You can look at the water droplet here. We're going to take away the highlights. Now shadows, same thing, -100 to +100. And fade. It fades away. But here's the thing, you don't see what's behind it. And I'm going to demonstrate that by giving you a circle. Let's give it a really obnoxious pink and send it back. Send it to the back. You cannot see that obnoxious pink behind it with fade. Also, fades the one photo, it doesn't fade the other. Now, if I click transparency on the other hand, and I move the transparency, then you can see what is behind the image, and it fades both images within the grid. It doesn't just fade one, it fades both. Before we end today's Canva tutorial, I have a question for you and also want to let you know about 3 upcoming tutorials. Hidden elements to find, YouTube thumbnail fonts, and YouTube channel art are the 3 upcoming tutorials for our Canva classroom. If you go to the tab labeled Discussion, you're going to see one that says, what is your favorite font to use on your thumbnails? And I want you to answer this for me. I love to use prompt black for my YouTube thumbnails, or whatever it is. Whatever you love to use, I want you to comment. Click reply and then make your comment. If I love your answer and I think that it is an awesome font and I want to showcase it, then I'm going to take it and screenshot your answer and give you a shout out and link to your YouTube channel in the description as well. So you're going to want to participate in this discussion. What you're also going to notice in the discussion tab is upcoming August tutorials. No links, just give or take what the name will be or what it's going to be about and the date it will be on. If this changes, then I will make edits to the comment. If you like this video and want to see more like it, then I recommend watching one of these 2 videos. Alright? And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified when I premiere new videos. Alright? I'll see you next time. Bye!